Now, I welcome Professor Satyabhangal Garu to please come on to the dais and occupy the chair. I request Nageshwar Rao to kindly hand over the podium. Thank you. Now, I welcome Mr. V. Narendra Kumar Garu, Head Department of Informatics, to please come on to the dais and occupy the chair. I request Mr. Krishna to hand over the podium. Thank you, sir. Now I call the President of the Alumni Alumni Association, Mr. Y. Kishore Kumar Garu, to please come on to the dais. I request Mr. Prasad to hand over the podium. Thank you. Now I hand over the proceedings to Mr. Y. Kishore Kumar Garu, the President of the Alumni Association. Sorry. Now I hand over the proceedings to Dr. Moses Christopher Garu to kindly preside over the session. Thank you.
Hey, Ravi.